Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Wednesday, April 15th, 2026 at 13:21, and today we have our Day 2 outlook to look at for tomorrow. So, our Day 2 outlook for tomorrow, we have a slight risk that encompasses parts of central to northern New York State and parts of southern Vermont and extreme western New Hampshire. We have a marginal risk that encompasses parts of northern New Hampshire, northern Vermont, north central, I should say, most of New Hampshire, parts of northwestern Massachusetts, southern New York State, pretty much, northwestern Pennsylvania, most of Ohio, southeastern Michigan, northeastern Indiana, northern and western West Virginia, southern Indiana as well, much of Kentucky, southern Illinois, southeastern Missouri, western to middle Tennessee, northern Mississippi, extreme northwestern Alabama, and northeastern Arkansas. We do have those areas under a marginal risk. So let's go ahead and see who we have for tomorrow. We have Rochester, Syracuse, Schenectady, Utica, and Irondequoit, New York, I think is how you say it, under the slight. And Detroit, Columbus, Memphis, Nashville, and Cleveland under the marginal. So anyway, let's go ahead and see what we've got for tomorrow. Tomorrow we have a 2% tornado risk that encompasses parts of northern Pennsylvania, much of New York State, parts of southern Vermont, western and southern New Hampshire, and northwestern Massachusetts. So we do have those areas under a 2% tornado threat for tomorrow. So, we have Buffalo, Rochester, Syracuse, Albany, and Cheektoga under the 2%. So we could see a brief EF0, maybe an EF1 tomorrow if conditions warrant. Going into the wind threat for tomorrow, we have a 15% that encompasses parts of central to northern New York, New York State, southern Vermont, and extreme western New Hampshire. We have a 5% that encompasses parts of central to northern Vermont, much of New Hampshire, northwestern Massachusetts, southern and pretty much southern New York State, northwestern Pennsylvania, much of Ohio, southeastern Michigan, northeastern Indiana, southern Indiana as well, western West Virginia, much of Kentucky, southern Illinois, southeastern Missouri, northeastern Arkansas, western to middle Tennessee, northern Mississippi, and extreme northwestern Alabama. So we do have those areas under a 5% tomorrow. So I'm going to try to pronounce that last place there. Rochester, Syracuse, Schenectady, Utica, and Irondequoit, I think is how you say it, under the 15%, and Detroit, Columbus, Memphis, Nashville, and Cleveland under the 5%. So for the 15% area, we could see 75 mile per hour wind gusts possible, at least up to that point, and 5% we could see 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts possible in the 5% area. So please be mindful of that tomorrow. Going into the hail threat for tomorrow, we have a 15% that encompasses parts of central New York State, going into western Vermont, and we have a 5% that encompasses parts of much of New Hampshire, much of New Hampshire, southern to northern Vermont, southern New York State, northwestern Massachusetts, northern Pennsylvania, southeastern Michigan, northern Ohio, and northeastern Indiana. We have a separate 5% over here for parts of southeastern Missouri, northeastern Arkansas, western Kentucky, western Tennessee, and northwestern Mississippi. We do have those areas under a 5% as well. So we have Rochester, Syracuse, Albany, Schenectady, and Utica under the 15%, and Detroit, Memphis, Cleveland, Toledo, and Buffalo under the 5%. So 15% area, we could see 1 to 3 inch diameter hail possible tomorrow. And for the 5%, we could see 1 to 2 inch diameter hail possible tomorrow. So please be mindful of that tomorrow. Going into the summary for tomorrow, it says a corridor of strong to severe storms is possible Thursday over much of central New York into southern Vermont. Isolated strong storms may extend south westward into parts of Arkansas and Tennessee. So anyway, I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe tomorrow. There's tomorrow's hail risk. There's tomorrow's wind risk. Oh, there's the reset. Did not even do that. There's tomorrow's tornado risk. And there's tomorrow's day 2 outlook. So I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe tomorrow. Yes, even if you may be in a marginal risk tomorrow, you still want to remain weather aware and safe, as you never know what these storms could do in the marginals. Anyway, I do really hope you stay weather aware and stay safe. Take today to prepare for tomorrow, and I'll go over this outlook again tomorrow morning when it becomes day 1. And since it's tax day, if you haven't done so already, don't forget to remember to pay off your taxes. But anyway, hope you have a great rest of your day, and stay weather aware, stay safe, and take care.